How to add music to a video in CapCut. So first you want to import your video to CapCut and you can place it in your timeline. Next, you want to click on the audio tab here and then go to the music category. And in here you should find all kinds of music offered by CapCut. You can also search for a specific song if you want to. And all you need to do is select it and then click on the download button next to it. And this should basically download it and import it to your timeline automatically like this. You click on the plus next to it. You can also import your own music if you don't want to use the library from CapCut. You want to go back to your media tab and click on the import button and then just navigate to where your music or your MP3 file is. For example, this one. Click on open and it should import it and then drag it and drop it on your timeline, and that should add your music to your timeline. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.